Hey guys, in light of what's going on, I'd like to share a little bit of information with you that I got from somebody I know at church. And it has, well, I mean, now, anyways, like I said, it's from church, but it's all good. I would trust them because, I go to church with them. But it has to do with the East Wing. Everybody's raving the East Wing, why it's getting torn down. And it seems like all these other videos out there, they're just kind of frustrated about it. But whatever. Anyway, so like I said, now I got this information from somebody at church that's got ties with somebody close to the White House. I'll leave it at that, okay? Go figure. But anyway, here's the reasons what I've got told. We were just talking about it, and the lady was telling me, she's about a 90-year-old lady, but she's telling me about this stuff. She goes, one of the reasons why the East Wing of the White House has been torn down is because this is where all the idols from the other countries that would give us, as gifts and stuff. This is where the idols were stored at. And not only that, it's a place where the Muslims prayed. Go figure, yeah. And I was like kind of shocked. I'm like, what? I thought, America's a Christian country. Why would we allow Muslims in the White House of all places to pray? So I'm glad that there's been a stop to a lot of this stuff because, this is what I've heard, okay? And so by tearing it down, ridding, the East Wing of all those idols and all those prayer mats or whatever, I think it would rid the place of all the evil spirits. And this is what I've been told, and I'm like, yeah, it makes sense to me. Now whatever you can think whatever you want, but this is why it's not for it's for a ballroom. But there's underlying reasons than just tearing it down, man. I mean, come on, there's a lot of heebie-jeebies going on through the past years of America. You all know that. Come on, you see things on the dollar bill, pretty crazy. But now I don't know where I'm going with all this. I'm just telling you that's something that I'd heard from somebody else because we were talking about it. And so I kind of think it's cool information. It may not be true, but you know what? I'll bet it is. I'll bet you $1 to a donut. That's the reason why President Trump tore down the East Wing is because of all the heebie-jeebies from the idols that come in from all these other countries trying to say thank you. And we store them there. And then to have the Muslims pray? Come on, man. Hello? Yeah, it needs to be torn down. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. There you go. That's my 2 cents on this whole thing. Now maybe that's what I heard, like I said, but if I'm an American, I've served in the military for 4 years. I know there's things that we just don't hear or we shouldn't hear. Okay? And I'll bet you, like I said, $1 to a donut. What you just heard today is probably the underlying truth of why the East Wing has got brought down to nothing but ashes. But it's going to be built up in the name of the Lord, in the name of Jesus Christ. Believe that. Okay. All right, that's my thing today. Fix Fence LLC. I just wanted to share that with you. Keep smiling. You guys have a great day.